Hi guys, I'm back again. Today we're going to be using the Type Chi, and yeah, it's a Japanese tank, I'm pretty sure. The specs aren't very good on it, but I know in the higher tier ones they're quite good. So as you can see, 50 millimeters, which is not really that good for that tier. Well, it's a bit good. Its turret is the same, yeah. 112 damage, 109 penetration. So, yeah, hopefully it's good. So, yeah, let's try it out. And I thank you for all the views and likes and stuff on the other videos, since this is my first time. And in the comments, could you please leave some tips if you want me to do something, since I've new and only just started this stuff. But I mainly do it for fun, so you guys can just watch and have fun, chill out. So I'm a tier 4 and a tier 5 battle, not the best, but it should be able to penetrate a KV1. And also leave in the comments if you would like to let me have other tank, like, since I've only just started and stuff, like tier 6 and stuff, any tier 1s, any tier 2s, any tier 3s, any tier 4s, any tier 5s, pretty much all the tier 6s. And yeah, next video I'll probably be making a Hellcat gameplay, so I'll see how that goes. So yeah, so it's pretty quick, around 27 kilometers, 30 kilometers. And I am sorry if there's any lag or the frame rate's bad on the other videos. I'll be getting some new things soon.
The gunner is dead. We're trying to cover for him.
So 88 damage. First tier, it's horrible, I think.
Another one like that should finish now.
This, I'm gonna get,
Nice shot.
yeah,
The tank is damaged.
about 234.